Page 17, Can Can. It's a fun little melody from an opera. C major, of course. The big thing here is the time signature. You see the time signature? They put that C with a slice through it. Well, it's like common time with a slice through it. We call it cut time, and it simply cuts everything in half. So instead of 4/4, it's going to be 2/2. 2 beats in a measure, and a half note gets a count. Well, if a half note gets a count, a quarter note gets half a count. So right there, in the right hand, if I go here, at the beginning it's like 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1. Like so. Cut time can be a lot of fun sometimes. Now if it confuses you doing that when you're first starting it, just convert it to 4/4 time. Just think 4/4 time until you get it. And then once you got it, go back to 2/2. Because I could say this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Till I get the rhythm, and then I go back to cut time and think 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and get it that way. Now in the right hand you're going to move around a little bit. You can tell that by all the circled finger numbers they got. And the third measure over, it's first one is 5th, and then they went to 4th. Again, develop eventually the ability to do that without looking down. And then the last measure, the first one is thumb, and then second finger. Second line, second measure, you reach up, and this is C major scale going down. If you can do the scale, that's easy. If you can't do the scale, you'll struggle with that. Been there, done that. And then the rest of it is similar to what we've had, so no big deal. In the left hand you got chords, primary chords. Now while we're throwing more at you, I want to give you a little more to think about. Look at the left hand, starting in the second line. You're starting out with this chord. This next measure, it's a half note. A half note gets 1 count in cut time, and then it's a half rest. Make sure you play the rest. Given 2 dynamics again. I wish they wouldn't do that. They're simply telling you that the right hand is louder than the left. So the right hand gets the melody. And this is the nice. You'll find all kinds of recordings of this one to get an idea what it sounds like. It won't be this arrangement. It'll be probably an orchestra. But it's now vivace means really fast. Because allegro is fast. The vivace is faster than that. It's not as fast as you can go. There's faster than this. But it's really fast. You can, again, if you listen to recordings of the orchestra playing this, you get an idea how fast they take it. I mean fast. I mean, again, it's not as fast as you can go. Maybe that is as fast as you can go. I don't know. It's just really fast. Now when you're learning it, forget all that. You go really, 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 really slowly, and you gradually speed it up, and you don't exceed your personal speed limit, whatever that is. So let's try this out. Just check notes and rhythms. I'm going to put it, I'm leaving the metronome on 60, and it's beating quarter notes. So it's like 1 and 2 and 1 and really slow for the counting, but that's what it is. So let's try this out. Right hand, left hand here. Now, I'm going to give us 2 counts. Yeah. 1 and go and 1 and